Hello from ChronoTest.com. This is Mark Josie. Today I'll be doing a little test with the Tiberius T8.1 at high power. The test today is going to be with this barrel. You see this is the stock barrel, but then right here you see there's a little hole here which they call this ported. And what it does is when you screw in the barrel, okay, you see right here there's a hole right here. Basically what it does is it allows you to look through the hole and see into the breech. As you can see right here, there's like you can see through it. So basically usually that feature is for checking to see if there's any ammo inside the gun, and it's a nice feature. But one bad downside about this is the airflow or the CO2 or HPA going in from here may have, like a little bit of it may have leaked out from this port, and this will affect the power. So since we're doing a high power mod here, we're using 6.2 grams measured 6.2 grams breaker balls with CO2, so Crossman CO2 today. We'll be doing 2 CO2, so usually one CO2 can only shoot 8 rounds or 9 rounds. So here we'll be shooting 8 rounds and then emptying the rest of the CO2 out. So usually it's just that and the CO2 is done already. So we'll shoot 1 mag and then reload and then tape up that hole. We'll put a piece of tape over it, okay, to tape it up and see what happened. Okay, so right now let us do the first chrono test. Let's go. So one tip here is if you're using the T8.1 for high power, I strongly recommend you do a little bit of CO2 piercing practice by having the knob right here like that, okay? And then what you want to do is go like this and twist to gas up the gun like this. See, with your left hand, because you're holding the gun with your right hand, right? If you gas it up with the left hand, you can now point and shoot with this hand. So it's very practical to actually practice this. The range is hot. 309, 307, crazy. Okay, 314, 318, 317, 320. Shit. 310. Wow, 311. Still have air in there. Holy crap. I really did a good job in tuning this thing. So do I have any ammo? No, no more. Okay. So basically the CO2 is done. Oh, just like this. Okay. So right now at least it's taped over and you know it's taped. And then we're going to grab a CO2. With the left hand. Well. Okay, chronograph ready. .320 on the first shot. Very crazy. Wow. 320. 310 on the second shot. 314. Obviously there's an improvement in power. And as you see right here, the tone of the tape is different. That means air came out from there. Makes me think. Okay. 306. 313. Let's try again. 314. 300. 293. Okay guys, so ported barrel, okay, with this hole or without the hole, I think you guys can see the difference already. With the hole covered, I gained a little bit more FPS, meaning a little bit more power. But then the give and take though, somehow maybe it's just this CO2 or something, the shot count is also reduced. The first time we get a lot of shots, like about 10 or close to 12 shots per CO2, and the second one we did 8 shots, and then the power went down already. So basically you can see that with the hole covered, it should make a little tiny bit different. But if I am the one to choose, I will be choosing to have this hole deported for looking inside, because the second time when I shoot, I cannot look inside and I don't know if I still have any ammo inside the gun, and it takes one of the most important feature of the T8.1. So right now I would say, conclusion, I don't give a shit about that like little bit of FPS difference, but having this hole makes the gun more tactical in a way, so you can also check and prevent yourself from firing a empty shot, and there you go, like maybe 1 or 2 more shots you can load from the breech or from the muzzle to get your shots, and it's very useful. So basically that's it for this test. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. Bye bye.